Here we are at the Ameristar Casino at the parking garage. And we have Otis elevators that are way older than the hotel tower is. I believe this garage was built a long ways before the hotel was, for some reason. I don't know what that down arrow thing is. Both panels have it. I don't know what that is. Maybe it's for the first floor? Yeah, I think it's for the first floor. The 10th floor of the garage. Pretty big place. Very nice. I don't know where this rear door goes to.